How to check your AirTag battery level. To check your AirTag's battery level, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Find My app. Go to your app library and search for the Find My app. Open it and you'll likely see the People tab by default. At the bottom right, tap on the Items tab. Step 2. Select your AirTag. From the list of items, select the AirTag you want to check. Once you open it, you'll see details about the AirTag, like its name and location. However, you won't see any information about the battery level. Understanding battery notifications. Apple no longer displays the exact battery percentage of your AirTag in the app. Instead, if your AirTag battery is low, you'll get a notification with a low battery icon and a message that says, "Low battery." The notification will prompt you to replace the battery. Unfortunately, unless the battery is low, you won't know if it's full, half-charged, or nearly empty. Apple used to provide this information in the app, but for some reason, they've removed that feature. What to look for? If your AirTag battery is running low, you'll see a message pop up in the Find My app, like this. AirTag battery is low. Replace it soon. You'll also see a small battery icon alongside the notification. For now, Apple has decided this is the only way to check your AirTag's battery status. I hope this clears up any confusion. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching.